What if I told you that you can develop the code for the drone completely on your own? So no need of relying on black box libraries or vague online tutorials. After many hours of work outside of my regular job, like late nights and weekends, I'm finally releasing a complete course on designing the flight controller from scratch for the quadcopter. So no need of endless web searches to piece things together. Everything is in one place. STM32 Programming, hardware, choosing the hardware, IMU Sensor Integration, attitude estimation, data fusion, working with the RC joystick. Everything is in one place. And the first chapter is available for free, and the rest is available for YouTube members and also on my website. And this is just the beginning, because next thing I will work on the altitude estimation, also integrating the optical flow sensors to eliminate the drift and to achieve even more advanced control. So if you ever dreamed on working advanced, exciting engineering tasks, not just a blinking LED, this is the right place, this is the chance for you. So let's get started.